think I found something pretty cool. Oh, I'm still stuck in the roots. Whatever that is. That's a chimney. Fell over. Chimney pile. And man, that looks really good too. Look at some of these square rocks. Wow. That's pretty. Cornerstones. That rock's been broken over the years. And tell you what, if that's cornerstone over there, that's a pretty good sized house. Yeah. Cornerstone. Here's the well. Still got water in it. That's pretty neat. That tree right there is in the corner of a rock wall. See if I can find something real quick. Look at, I just uncovered not even a ½ inch under the dirt. And here is this. Oh man, look how brittle that is. Anyway, can you tell what it is? That's a snap. That's the snap of a little purse or money bag, or the other side of the bag would have one that looked just like it and it'd snap together. Huh. That's pretty neat. Probably had lots of coins in it. I'm gonna find them. Belt buckle. Little belt buckle. I just found a coin. Oh. I think it's a coin. It might be a button. No. What is this thing? If that is a coin, it is rusty. I can't get anything off of it. Let me clean it up for a second. Yep. It's a penny. Indian. 1906, I believe. Yeah. 1906. Well, this might be a pretty good place. If it is, I'm not going to do too much digging. I'll have to get the mountain man down here. He'll want to check this place out. Okay. And I got a ½ of a harmonica reed. Alright. There's a rock here and here, and it was the signal and the crack down in there. They're about 4 inches deep, 5 inches. We're gonna knock it out there together. See what it is. Oh, got it loose. It sounded good. I don't see it yet. Where'd you go? Ah, here it is. Oh. Well, hey, that's a pocket knife. I really like finding these for some reason. Yep. There's nothing left of that one. There's some of the brass or pewter, whatever they put on these. There's nothing left of it. Little wood. That's neat though. I like that. Look at that. I've never found the old hammerhead. I don't think. Cool, cool. I'm just gonna dig a couple more things and I'm gonna head out of here. I want to save a bunch of this for Danny. So 1 or 2 more good targets and we're going. Ah, look at that. Here comes Chloe. I guess she must have found something. Matter of fact, tell you what, look at this.
It's a lock.
It is. Let's hold it up to the sun, huh?
It looked like it when I saw it.
Oh. I can't find the sun. Doesn't that look like a skeleton key? A skeleton key hole, I mean. Huh. Well, here.
Is that cool? Now I have to find one since he did.
Don't that look like it?
Yeah, it does. Like a...
Maybe a jewelry box.
Jewelry box or something.
Remember that little tiny key I
Yeah.
found a long time ago? I wonder if it was something like that. I'll get that key out and see if it fits in it. Maybe it'll unlock something.
Well, too bad.
Let me show you something. A trick. Real easy way to clean this stuff off. Get up against a tree. And just rub it. See how clean that gets that? Yep, you can just... Bark's nice and soft, so it ain't gonna hurt it. You can tell right off what it is. It's the shotgun shell, 12 gauge. Winchester. That ain't like the cap to a lantern, is it? Where the wick comes out?
Might be.
I see a little slit.
Yeah.
Hey, Daddy, look at my purple shotgun shell. Looks like it has a flower in the middle.
I bet that's what it is.
It looks like a 10 gauge shell right there. Yeah, I think that's what it is. A brass. That's what we're looking for, brass.
It's right pretty hot right now, ain't it?
Yeah, that's a 10 gauge. Oh, yeah.
And boards, wasn't it?
Yep, that's the old one there. See how it's bent?
Yeah.
Remember why they're bent and broken?
No.
Well, they'll break the handles out of them. And they'll use them for a splitting wedge. For splitting wood.
Wedge.
They'll hammer on them and break them.
A big heart.
There's a heart behind it.
Yeah, big it. You see it?
It is, I do see the heart. I can't figure out what that says.
Me either.
Yep. I just dug it out right here. And matter of fact, right here by the chimney, about 30 feet away from that chimney pile.
Yeah. I was reading like a nickel.
Yeah. Anyway, it's a Carhartt's button. And it has a heart in the background with a, I guess that's a train cart.
Has 3 holes at the back, or whatever side is the back.
This look kind of like a reed on it.
To what?
What do they call them? A pitch pipe for tuning guitars and pianos?
Guitars and pianos.
Yeah, back in the day you had a deal where you blew on it. Beep. Then you tune your guitar. I don't know, see if
Grandpa knows?
Grandpa knows. Ask him if it's a pitch pipe. Or I forget what yeah, anyway, whatever it's called.
It's smashed.
Yeah, buddy, that's a big old spoon. Wow. Yep, that has been smashed a few times. I bet you can get a name off it.
haven't seen one like that.
Well, probably because it's been smashed. But that's good. We've been finding a lot of brass right in this area right here. And right here. And I think I'm fixing to dig up something right there. We'll do that together. And do what? Now the mountain man says he found something.
He probably did. He always finds something.
Oh, it almost looks like a shoe buckle from back there.
Remember, look what I found. Smash.
You haven't solid silver.
Well,
Neat.
let's see.
Had some nails in there with it.
Yeah, I bet that sounded good, didn't it?
Well, it sounded in the 60.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's the inside of the clock.
Yeah.
Cool. Now I can go dig mine. Alrighty. Alright, what do we got here? I see it. It is not good. Shotgun shell. All this time for a shotgun shell. I think I found something pretty cool. Oh, I'm still stuck in the roots. That. Whatever that is. Huh. I'm almost afraid to tap that on something. Is that a toy wagon wheel?
Yeah. I think you're right.
Is that a toy?
Yeah.
Or a wagon wheel?
Yeah, the wagon wheel's like a toy. That's what it is, I bet you.
That's pretty cool.
That's cool if you had the toy.
Yeah.
The whole thing.
I'll go dig it up.
Pull it back together.
Huh.
Granny used to have a lamp that was an old covered wagon that had a light in it,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, I can see the hub now.
Yeah.
Huh.
Neat.
Well, that was in probably all the good stuff right in all them briars.
Probably.
That's what I was starting to head.
Normally is. Either that or somebody else already hit this place, you know.
Yeah. Well, that's always possible. Oh, yeah. Look at that. You found your childhood toy.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's a neato right there.
Oh, yeah.
Well, they probably buried the whole thing in there. Probably broke. You found this right underneath this rock wall, right?
Yeah.
Check this out. Rock wall running right through here. Yeah. Huh. Little cross-cut saw. Oh. Oh, one man? Yeah. Well,
I guess it could be
either one, yeah. Cool.
it.
I would never leave this. God's got